Hello everyone, Ted Walters here at Tech Alpharetta in Alpharetta, Georgia. It's a beautiful early spring, late winter day, and I'm here with Scott Danner from RestorePoint. Scott, tell us about RestorePoint and this new plasma platform that you've created.
Well, thank you, Ted. I really appreciate your time here today, and I'd also like to say thank you to Tech Alpharetta for allowing us to do this video here today, and for allowing us to use their facilities for this video. Plasma is a platform that RestorePoint.ai provides to clients and enterprises for any industry in any vertical. What we have really targeted Plasma towards is empowering the data-driven enterprise.
Data-driven enterprise. So tell us what Plasma does at its very core. How does it help a customer?
So first and foremost, if you look at any search engine anywhere, you can look up multiple different subject lines. It could be business intelligence, it could be business analytics, AI, it could be data-driven. Any of those that you look up and look at, they'll draw you towards the same conclusion, which is any company that embarks in any of those journeys, and we like to use the term data-driven, will increase performance over their competition. Whether it's revenue, whether it's improved productivity, whether it is improved customer satisfaction, each one outperforms. And who wouldn't like to outperform?
So if I sign up for your service, what is the first thing that I need to provide to you to help me become a data-driven company?
So if you look at what it takes to become a data-driven company, most people think about dashboards or charts. That's an end product to us. What really needs to happen to create those nice dashboards and those nice charts is you have to bring data together and make it work for your company. So if you take a look at how you do that, there's multiple things that have to happen. You have to connect the data, you have to automate that data, you have to clean that data, then you have to put it all in one place to make it all work together. Once you do that, then you have to take that data, present it to your end users within your business. Could be your executive team, could be your business analyst team, it could be somebody out in the field, sales, marketing. There's a lot that goes into making those charts and those graphs, and that's what we do. We make that part of the effort easy for any company.
Outstanding. So give me an example, perhaps a use case, industry of how Plasma helped out that enterprise.
So it's a great question. Let me think on that for a minute. So there's lots of use cases that we've been involved with. Probably one that sticks to the top of mind for me is really centered around smart building and smart campus. So you can take any building, like the one we're in, for instance. There's a lot of inputs, and we call them IoT inputs or Internet of Things. You take a look at those inputs, and those could be building card readers, those could be cameras, it could be Wi-Fi, it might be weather sensors, it might be air sensors, all that data coming together to produce something of value for that end customer. Traditionally, they would be disaggregated. What our platform allows this end customer to do is to bring those together, present that in a way to their executive team and their end users, might be tenants within that building, to show them the health of the building, to show them how the building is being used, and to make improvements based upon that data.
So, bottom line it for me then. What is the enterprise ultimately how is the enterprise ultimately going to benefit from having the service Plasma from RestorePoint?
So in addition to the things I mentioned previously around having improved productivity, the ability to increase revenue, the thing that we find most intriguing to most customers is our speed. So what we are able to do is we are able to stand up proof of value very quickly for a use case or an end customer, be able to take that data, show them how they can use that data, show them how they can get value out of that data, and then they're able to make a go, no-go decision based upon what we show them. So they're not spending months, years trying to analyze that data. We're doing it very quickly within weeks as opposed to those months or years.
I love the term that you use there, proof of value, not a proof of concept. This is not a concept. You're showing value straight away. How does someone get started with RestorePoint and using the Plasma platform?
So it's actually super easy. So we've got a couple ways to do that. One is you could email us at support@restorepoint.ai. You could email us at sales@restorepoint.ai, or you could email me directly, as you see on the screen here. Once we get in contact, what we can do is we can pick a data source. We can take that data source and we can take that, bring that in. We can stand up a proof of value for you and show you actually what we can do. We make it easy, we make it simple, and we make it quick.
Outstanding. Thanks, Scott, for joining us here today, and appreciate it, and look forward to learning more about Plasma and RestorePoint.
Absolutely. Thank you, Ted.